In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Payments.ai ClickFunnels. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can start accepting PayPal payments inside your ClickFunnels setup without any confusion. Make sure you're already logged into your ClickFunnels account in your browser before you begin, so everything goes smoothly. First, head over to your ClickFunnels dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different sections. Look for the section labeled Apps. Right next to that label, you should see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This will open a page showing you a variety of apps that integrate with ClickFunnels. On that apps page, scroll until you find the Payments.ai app. When you see it, click on it to open the app details. You'll see some information about what the app does and how it works with ClickFunnels. From here, look for the option that allows you to add this app to your ClickFunnels account and click to confirm. Once you do that, the page will reload. After the page refreshes, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Payments.ai account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, there will be an option to create one. Go through the quick sign up process, then log in. Once you're inside your Payments.ai dashboard, look toward the top of the page for a tab or menu item labeled Gateways. Click on this. This is where you connect different payment providers. On the Gateways page, you'll see several payment options you can integrate. Find PayPal in the list and then click the button to connect it. A new browser tab or window will open, taking you to PayPal's login page. Here, enter the email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal account, then your password, and click to log in. In some cases, PayPal may ask you to complete a security check. This might involve sending a 6-digit code to your email, your phone, or a messaging app. If that happens, simply retrieve the code, type it in, and continue. Once you're logged in and verified, PayPal will display a page asking for your permission to connect your PayPal account to Payments.ai. Review the permissions, and when you're ready, click Allow. After that, your PayPal account will be successfully linked to Payments.ai within ClickFunnels, and you're ready to start processing payments.